Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be showcasing the carbon fiber key fob case that we carry. This is available at boostedwhips.com under any of the Genesis category, G70, G80, GV70, GV80. You can find it there as long as your remote is from this shape or design. It will be compatible. So I already have it on mine, just to give you guys an idea on how this looks. So it's a perfect fit with all the cutouts, very accessible to all your buttons and locations. We are giving a free keychain while supplies last. We have a few left of those gifts if you guys want to go ahead and get those. So this is a two-piece back cover. It separates, so you put this in the back and the front, and you just lock it in. Simple as that. Any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.